This is a very special making of for my Patreon fans. I show you how I did this beautiful flower headpiece. So I used paper tape and wrapped it around a model head. After I draw the lines I wanted to cut out later where it should fix on the head. So this is where I cut it out with some scissors. And here I transferred it to EVA form and sticked it together, as you can see in the front. And I also used an elastic behind to make it flexible for the model. To create the middle of the flower, I used cosplay flags with a heat gun to shape it, also wire. And then there are leaves of the cosplay flags, and this is EVA form. So you can see in the picture where I placed the pieces. And I made it smooth with sandpaper. And after I painted, and then I put it all together. So it's very easy. On the side I used more stones and leaves for decoration. You will see. Make your own. And I'm looking forward to see your creation. Thanks for watching.